Let's consider a master chef, skilled in a variety of cuisines, who knows exactly when to stick to classic recipes and when to mix in new flavors to enhance a dish. Like the chef, a manager must also know when to adjust their style to best suit the team and objectives at hand. In this video, you will be able to assess and realign your management style to meet both team expectations and organizational culture. You will also learn how to incorporate best practices into your management approach to enhance your effectiveness. Let's start. Embracing a new management style involves more than just altering your behaviors and protocols. It's also requiring a deep evaluation of your values, beliefs, attitudes, and personality type. If you recognize that your predominant management style isn't ideally suited for certain situations, your role within your organization, or for the team members of your team, you can consider the following best practices to adapt and integrate a more suitable management style. First up, identify the issues. Keep in mind that no management style is perfectly suited for every situation. There is no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to management. You also don't need to change your approach simply because it's perceived negatively. Your current style might be well suited for your environment and team. However, if you encounter obstacles in meeting team goals, begin by pinpointing the issues. Ask yourself, is your team lacking motivation? Are deadlines being missed? Is the communication inconsistent? Do team members feel excluded or unclear about expectations? By identifying these specific problems, you can better understand how your management style might be contributing to these issues. Think about your current management style. Can you identify a recent situation where your style was particularly effective or ineffective? What was the scenario? And what did it reveal about the suitability of your style for your team's needs? The next step is to explore other management styles. After identifying the ineffective aspects of your current management style, explore other styles that could ease these issues. For instance, if your democratic approach is slowing down decision-making, consider integrating elements of autocracy to streamline processes. Or if you're too hands-off, think about adopting a more coaching-oriented style to help guide your team towards achieving milestones. After hearing about various management styles, which alternative style do you think could address some of the challenges you've identified in your team and style? How could integrating elements of this new style improve your team's performance and satisfaction and your effectiveness? And step 3 is to assess your strengths. Understanding your own strengths and weaknesses is crucial, as not every person is suited for every management style. Reflect on how your personal and professional attributes align with different management styles. For example, autocratic management might suit you if you're highly analytical and introspective, while democratic or coaching styles may not come as naturally. After assessing your strengths, you will now need to evaluate your strengths and your limitations. All managers can improve, and every style has its limitations. Being open to criticism and recognizing these limitations are essential for growth. Engage in discussions with your colleagues and team members to gain insights into how your management style is perceived and where it aligns or conflicts with your strengths. And should you be making any changes to your style, remember to manage major changes with your team. Major adjustments in your management style often require changes to team protocols and procedures. Use principles of change management to involve your team in these decisions. Motivate them to embrace the changes. Cater to their individual needs. and guide them through the transition process. Step 4 is to communicate clearly. Do not assume that team members will automatically adjust to the new protocols or procedures. Clearly communicate any changes, their implementation timelines, new expectations, and what they can expect from you moving forward. This communication is also an opportunity to receive feedback and suggestions from your team to ensure your new management style meets their needs. The final step is to develop coaching skills. To further enhance your effectiveness, it's vital to develop and integrate effective coaching skills into your management style. Start by practicing active listening, which involves fully concentrating on what is being said rather than just passively hearing the message of the speaker. This skill is foundational for effective communication and helps in understanding issues deeply. Additionally, utilize coaching questions that prompt team members to think independently, challenging them to explore new ideas, find their own solutions, and reflect on their experiences, which fosters personal growth and development. By investing in these coaching skills, you not only improve team dynamics, but also drive substantial improvements in team performance and outcomes. To effectively embrace a new strategic management style, start by evaluating your current approach and identifying areas that need improvement, such as team motivation or communication clarity. Explore alternative management styles that address these issues. For instance, more directive elements to speed decision-making, or coaching style to enhance team development. Reflect on your strengths and weaknesses in relation to these styles, and engage in open communication with your team about the changes. This ensures alignment and allows for necessary adjustments based on feedback. Additionally, enhance key skills like active listening and effective questioning, which support the new management style and promote independent thinking and problem solving among team members. By following these steps, you can effectively transition to a management style that is more fitting for you and your team, leading to improved performance and satisfaction. Take the first step today. Assess your current management style and engage your team in a conversation about how you can all move forward together.